So guys, it's 2 weeks since I arrived from the Alps, and now it's time to go for a trip again. This time it's 2 weeks riding in Norway. This trip will be mostly about finding some gravel roads and practicing my skills on gravel, since I'm not very familiar with that yet. Other than that, just take it day by day, enjoy the ride. It's not about getting as far as I can, it's mostly about, you know, just enjoying the moments on the road. And yeah, without further ado, let's go. Alright guys, so right now I am riding from the city of Stavanger, where I live. Today is already 1:15. The days I'm leaving, especially when I'm just going for a ride in Norway, I tend to really be in no rush. I just get up, have my coffee, take my time packing down the bike and stuff, so yeah, really no rush. Today it's Saturday, the 2nd of June, and I'm just gonna ride it as far as I feel like today, I guess. I am heading east towards Finnskogen, which is my goal for next week at least. I will probably arrive there early next week, like Tuesday or Monday or Tuesday, I guess. And then I'm gonna spend some time there riding some gravel and stuff. But before that time, I'm now riding. Oh my gosh, the wind! I'm riding north, and my goal for today is Haukelifjell, where I will be camping. Because of course, I've got my tent and my sleeping bag with me. So yeah, let's get warmed up on this bike and get this adventure started. Fun fact while we're riding this very boring stretch, this tunnel takes about 15 to 20 minutes to ride through. I think it's about 20 kilometers or something long, and it's running underneath the ocean, so that's pretty cool. I think Norway is one of the countries in the world with the most tunnels, and my record in one day is 17 tunnels, stretching for, you know, just a couple hundred meters to these really long ones on several 10-20 kilometers long. Sometimes it's nice, if it's cold outside, it's nice to come inside a warm tunnel, although if it's wet outside as well, when you come into the tunnel, sometimes your visor and stuff fogs up and you can't see shit, so that's kind of annoying. And also if it's very sunny outside and you come into the dark tunnel, sometimes it's hard to actually see what's going on in front of you for the first couple seconds and meters. Anyway, enough of my jabbering. Yeah, hopefully we'll get some good footage today. Thank you for joining me on another adventure, and have a good day. It started to rain quite a bit already, so I better pull over and unplug my microphone and my GoPro, because I still have the GoPro 7 black, and where I have to, you know, use the adapter for the microphone, and that means it's not waterproof. So it kind of sucks, but hopefully the rain will stop at some point and I can put the mic back on, so yeah. Let's unplug it. people. That was quite the wet ride. Nice ride, but pretty wet. It's right now about 6:30 in the evening, and I have arrived in Røldal, which is not as far as I hoped that I would go, but turns out that the next stretch, I didn't do my research probably, and the mountain pass that's coming up next, Høglefjell, there's like road work going on there, so you have to like stand in line and wait and ride together through the whole stretch. So it could be quite a bit of waiting. There's a lot of traffic on the road right now. People that just started their vacation. Most Norwegians have their vacation starting on Monday or this weekend. So I figured, what the heck, I'm in no rush, so I'll spend the night here. I found myself a cozy little cabin
just to stay dry and dry off my clothes and stuff. So yeah, that was it for today. Pretty short ride, but it's good to be back on the road again. Now it's time to cook some dinner, and then that's it for the evening, I guess. So thank you for joining me today, and have a good evening, guys.